Let's go over 3 spellings of the long I sound. Trace I, E, pie, I. I, G, H, light, I. I, consonant, E, line, I. Let's take a look at our spelling words. Which I spelling helps me with the word mile? Owl. I have a consonant between the long I sound. So I'm going to use this spelling. Where the E doesn't make a peep, it awakens its sound out of its sleep. So I'm going to practice my spelling word by filling in I, consonant E. The word size, eyes. I hear the long I sound, but there has to be a letter right here that makes this I say its name. It's I, consonant E. The E doesn't make a peep. It awakens its sound out of its sleep. I. Let's look at the word sigh. I. So I know it's going to be either this sound or this spelling or this spelling. In this case, it's this spelling. I-G-H. So I fill in I-G-H to make the word sigh. High. Like I go up high in the sky. I do not hear a consonant, and I'm going to use the I-G-H spelling. Then I have the word pie. In this case, I do not hear a vowel, so I'm not going to use this card. I'm going to use this card right here because here's our keyword picture right here. I-E. Tie, as in bow tie. I'm going to spell the long I sound with an I-E. This is one way you can practice your spelling words this week with 3 different spellings of the long I. Lots of examples. Let me know if this helps.